Apply the gloss varnish to your acrylic painting can significantly enhance its colors and longevity. Here's how I do it, especially when working on still life acrylics on canvas. For this demonstration, I'm using Bluebird varnish. First, ensure your painting is completely dry. For acrylics, I recommend waiting at least a week. Before starting, shake the Bluebird varnish well. This step is crucial to ensure a consistent application. Use a wide, soft brush for the varnish. Dip your brush directly into the varnish. Do not mix it with water. Adding water can dilute the varnish, reducing its effectiveness and altering the final look of your painting. Start applying the varnish in even strokes, working from one side of the canvas to the other. I prefer to work in horizontal lines first, to go over it again with vertical strokes to ensure full coverage. Avoid overworking any area. Excessive brushing can cause bubbles and streaks, which can be difficult to remove once dry. Let the first coat dry for a few hours. If a second coat is needed, apply it in the same manner but in the opposite direction of your first coat. In my experience, using undiluted Bluebird varnish provides a beautiful, glossy finish that protects and enhances the vibrancy of my paintings. Remember, patience is key. Allow your varnish to dry thoroughly between coats for the best results.
Like, share, subscribe.